In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set birthday reminder in Google Calendar. We'll walk through turning on the built-in birthdays view, adding a birthday to a specific date as an event, and a simple alternative that keeps birthdays updated automatically. By the end, you'll have a reliable reminder so you never miss an important day again. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser or the mobile app. Give the page a moment to load your calendars. On the left, you'll see the list of calendars you can show or hide. Look for the one labeled Birthdays. Click it to turn it on. When this is enabled, Google Calendar can show birthdays pulled from your saved contacts, which is handy for recurring reminders that follow you across devices. Keep in mind, if you don't have a person saved as a contact with their birthday, nothing will appear for them yet, so we'll also add a birthday manually. Next, find the exact date you want to mark. Navigate to the correct month and click directly on that day in the calendar grid. This opens a quick Create box. Here, select Event. Choosing Event ensures the birthday shows up clearly on your calendar, rather than being treated like a task or appointment slot. In the title field, type something clear, like friend's birthday, or the person's name followed by birthday. If the box offers an all-day toggle, leave it on so the birthday spans the entire day. This makes the reminder easy to spot at a glance, no matter what time the celebration might happen. You can also keep the location and description fields empty if you don't need them. The key is the title and the correct date. Now click Save. That's it. Your birthday reminder is on your calendar. Depending on your notification settings, you may receive a reminder ahead of time. If you notice you're not getting alerts, you can adjust notification preferences later in calendar settings or directly within the event. But the event itself is already created and ready. There's also a great alternative that can reduce manual work in the future. If you add the person to your Google contacts and include their birthday there, their birthday will automatically appear in Google Calendar whenever the birthdays calendar is turned on. This keeps birthdays consistent from year to year without you recreating anything. To recap, open Google Calendar, show the birthdays calendar, click the date you need, choose Event, type the birthday, and save. With that, you'll have dependable birthday reminders exactly when you need them.